I'm Steven here at Monterey Car Week. I'm at Gateway Bronco. Let's take the first spin. This has handling that's on par with Range Rover, G-Wagons, or anything else that I'd expect to be in a high-end SUV truck. This drives like a 2024 truck, without question. That exhaust note is just pure music. It's absolutely unreal. This is something I really could see using as a daily driver in LA. I can pick up the kids, I can go do grocery runs, and have a whole lot of fun doing it. This, just like the original trucks, are not light, but it has the stopping power you'd expect. The power in this truck is linear. It corners flatter than any other truck, new or vintage, and I'm completely a convert. Also, being up here at Car Week, we're passing Ferraris, we're passing Lamborghinis. Everybody seems to want to know what this is. I truly love a sort of if you know type vehicle, and I don't know that you can top this. Once you drive one of these, it's going to be incredibly difficult to dream about any other truck. It's absolutely unreal. I've driven a lot of vintage trucks, vintage Broncos, modern trucks, and this is the one to have, flat out.